Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a double unboxing of additional Christmas animation SLGs that I've recently purchased. And if you guys are interested, stay tuned and watch. So let's go ahead and start. I actually bought two more items from that same print that I got from my husband as a gift for Christmas. I wanted to match the one that he got me, and so I got two more. Which one should we start? Let's go ahead and start with this one. So since I bought these two items on different occasions online, I have two receipts. And let's go ahead and start with the smallest one. So here is the item. I have not opened or used this item yet. So this is going to be the first time I'm seeing them. I'm opening them with you guys. So here it is. Oh, I've never had an item that had a foam on it. So this is the first time I've received something that has a foam on top. So it's not inside the dust bag. So here is the SKU sticker, and here's how it looks inside. The item is not inside the dust bag. It's actually on top of the dust bag, covered by the flap. So here is the item, you guys. And surprisingly, there is another foam underneath it. I like that. They actually thought about how to package it and to take care of the actual item. So let me take this out. Hopefully there's no issues with the item, since this is the first time I'm going to be seeing it. So here it is, you guys. I love that freesia / hot pink color on the mountains, and then the bag has that same color. I also love the blue in here. It is so cute and so adorable. I love that. So it says in here, it is made in France. Love the detail of this particular Christmas animation print. I love the bears. One, I think, is carrying a key paw, and the other one is carrying a backpack. That is so cute, and both of them are wearing a scarf. So that was the first one. Let's go ahead and do the second and the last one. Here it is. It's tied. So here's the item. Oops, they put it upside down. Here is the item in its dust bag. I got myself the round coin purse. Oh, that is so pretty. I love this pink bottom. The bottom is a little wavy, but some of them are like that, but I'm sure with wear it's just gonna straighten out. I love that pink bottom instead of a vachetta. It is colored pink in that same print. So now there are 3 bears in there. So now 2 bears are carrying the key paw, and there's more snowflakes or snow detail up top. Let's see the inside, what color it is. Ooh, there's the inside. It is that same pink color. It says this is made in France, and there's a couple of SKU sticker in there, and then the textile card is there. So that is so cute. The zipper is very smooth, or not. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is. So yeah, that is so cute, you guys. I love, love, love. Let me show you guys the one that I got for my husband, in case you guys didn't love that I have all 3. I have the mini pochette for my husband, and I got 2 more with the round coin purse and also the key holder. I just wanted to add that all 3 of these items are made in France. Isn't that awesome? So that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!